Hello, everybody. This is Tim Kelly from Breakthrough Insurance Group, and welcome to The Big Idea. So I'd like to continue today with the new resources we are bringing to you since our acquisition by the Simplicity Group in last September. And we've been talking about how to attract qualified prospects to your insurance business. And last time we discussed the tax-free retirement solution, which is a syndicated webinar done by a New York Times best-selling author, Patrick Kelly, where the webinar is actually done for you. However, this week we're going to talk about 3 different workshops that we offer that you will actually do for your clients. So we have Maximizing Social Security, Principles of Retirement Planning, and the Truth About Annuities. So first of all, there are turnkey, comprehensive materials for all of these workshops that you can do. Presentation and speaker notes, workbooks, course syllabus, direction sheets, white papers, event materials, and more. We provide everything to you for these workshops, so it is completely turnkey. So you won't have to create anything for the event. We can brand these with your logos and pictures, however you would like to do that, to create just a very professional workshop for your clients to educate them on these 3 different topics. So there's a full execution guide that you'll be given with step-by-step instructions, scripts, templates for the invitations that you send out to your clients. There's a training video on how to do this. And here's the biggest piece of this whole process is that you will be paired up with our marketing team, and a marketing associate will walk you through every step of the process, all the way from the time when you first start thinking about this until you have completed the workshop for all your clients. We will even connect you with a lead generation vendor that can help you to make the mailers out to specific zip codes, specific types of people that you would like to invite to the event. And that marketing support person will walk you through, again, every step of this process. So you can do this in 3 different environments. These workshops are all flexible this way. You can do it in an educational environment, like at a local school or library. You can do a dinner event at a local restaurant. Or if you don't want to do these workshops face-to-face, you can do them virtually, online, and that will obviously save you some money to not have to rent out a space if you just want to do it virtually. However, we know historically through testing a lot of these things that face-to-face always converts better. So if you can do it, we would highly recommend either an educational or dinner setting where you're doing this presentation face-to-face. So let's talk quickly about Maximizing Social Security. It's the #1 consumer marketing topic. Everybody who's approaching retirement wants to make sure that they can maximize their Social Security benefits, so you're going to be able to attract a lot of people to this event. And it's really designed to attract people who are looking for an income plan, not just Social Security advice. So this will lead to annuity sales, life insurance sales, and even acquiring some additional AUM. The Principles of Retirement Planning. This is workshop #2. It's more general, and it highlights 6 key retirement concerns for people approaching retirement. It's all about protecting the income that you need in retirement so you can maximize the income for things you want in retirement. So it talks about the potential risks, action steps towards protecting your income, and it's really product agnostic. So this can lead to sales in annuities, life insurance, LTC, or again, just acquiring some more assets under management. Finally, the truth about annuities. So this is very tailored towards people who might be considering annuities, and it goes through a lot of information about annuities, educational material, what defines a successful retirement plan, how annuity products came to be, how annuities work in different types and why people buy annuities, and understanding how annuities solve for longevity risk in retirement. So this is really focused on annuities. People will come to this who are interested in annuities, and it leads to annuity sales. So what's working today? The top performing topics are Social Security and the general retirement planning workshops, top dinner seminar locations, steak or Italian restaurants, top educational locations, community colleges, universities, and libraries. So workshop topics and results. Again, we would say that the Maximizing Social Security workshop has been our most productive, 1.2% event response rate to mailers, and 36% of attendees will actually book an appointment with you. The Principles of Retirement plans a little bit less of an event response rate and appointments booked. And then the Truth About Annuities, a 1.4% event response rate, because this is, again, targeted towards people who would specifically be interested in annuities, and a 42% appointments booked. So we do all of this for you. We walk you through every step of the process. If you're interested in putting on some client educational workshops this year, please reach out to me, Tim Kelly at Breakthrough Insurance Group, and we would be more than happy to pair you up with your marketing support person who can begin walking you through every step of this process. Thanks for joining us today, and thank you for watching The Big Idea.